When you plant a native species in your garden, you will also attract native animals, and one of the species or types of animals that you will attract are native bees. So Australian native bees are largely stingless, and there are an amazing diversity of them. There are over 200 species, probably more, in just the southwest of Western Australia. And they love verticordias, they love leschinoltias, they love these myrtles, anything with a yellow or a blue or a pink or a white flower. So the honeybees also love these species, and we need honeybees to pollinate our crops and provide honey. But native bees are that much more amazing because they belong in Western Australia, but also often there's a special honeybee for a special plant. So when you plant your native plants, native bees are going to love it. And if you also, let me think, if you want to attract native bees to your garden, you can build or you could buy a bee hotel, specially constructed to attract the native bees. It gives them a home in your backyard, and they'll come straight to these plants, and before you know it, you'll have hundreds of native bees in your garden to enjoy day in, day out over spring and summer.